Good morning, students. Sairam. Welcome to this session. We are going to start with the revision part. In your unit test, you're going to get one lesson, new house, one poem, grammar part, and composition. Isn't it? So let us revise. Now I will start with a new house. Okay. So a new house. The author is Neil Gaiman. Okay, let us read. Let me give the summary of the story. There was a girl. The girl's name was Coraline. She and her parents had shifted to a new flat, and she did most of her time she spent exploring outside. She was exploring garden 2 weeks. First 2 weeks she was exploring the garden and ground. Then suddenly it started raining heavily, so her mother told her not to go. So she was feeling bored at home. So her mother told her to watch TV or read novel, read some story books or play with toys. But she was not interested in all this. So then she mother told not to go. So she on the television. So what did she see in the TV? She saw last half of natural history program, and there was the protective coloration program. In that she saw some of the animals disguised and all little bit which she is like. She saw all those. Then after that also ended. So she did not know what to do. She was feeling bored. In this picture you can see she's coming to her father and mother both were working from home. Okay, so they did not have enough time for Coraline. So she was feeling bored because she was at home and it was raining and she could not go outside. Her father told her to explore inside the house. What did he tell? He told her to take a pen and paper and count all the doors and windows because it was a new flat, and he told her to count the doors and windows in the house as well as to count everything which is blue. Okay, and also to discover the hot water tank in the house. So she was interested and she took a paper and pen and she started counting everything which is blue in color and counted the doors and counted the windows. And she also discovered the hot water tank. And when she counted, she could see how many doors which were closed, which were opened and closed. There were 13 doors which could open and close. And one she could she saw a big huge door which was carved, and that was locked, and she wanted to know what was there inside that door. So she had told her mother to open the door, and she opened the door. Her mother told it was not leading to anywhere, just there were only brick wall that side because during renovation of that flat they had closed that way and they had closed it with brick wall. So when she opened the door, only the brick wall was there. And after that, mother did not lock it back because she told it did not go anywhere and it was not necessary for her to lock. She just shut the door. And when after all this, her father prepared dinner for them. You can see there. So father prepared dinner, and when she saw the dinner, she was not interested because her father had prepared leek and potatoes too, which she did not like. So what did she do? She went to the freezer, took the microwave chips and the mini pizza from the freezer, and she kept it in the microwave and she heated it. Okay, she cooked it and she ate it. Her father was telling her to just try once, but she was not interested in eating that recipe. Then after that they all went to sleep, but Coraline was not able to sleep. She could just imagine something. She could hear some noises from the hall. So when she came down, she could not see anything strange. She could see some black color shadow. Then after that she saw the door which her mother had closed was slightly open. She was wondering why this was open because her mother had closed it. Then she again closed the door and she put off the light and she went to sleep. But she could not sleep at all. Then in her sleep she was dreaming something weird. She could see black shapes that slid from place to place avoiding light. Okay, and they all gathered under the moon. Okay, what did she dream? Black shapes which had little red eyes and black, sharp, yellow teeth. Okay, what did she dream? She dreamed black shapes that slid from place to place, avoiding light, and they all gathered under the moon, and they had little red eyes and sharp yellow teeth, and they were all singing some weird song, something weird she dreamt. And after that, she was feeling uncomfortable. After that, she dreamt of some commercials, advertisements. After that, she did not get any dream. She slept. So, this is a part of the story, children. This is not the ending of the story, but this much is only there in your textbook. So, this is the part of the novel. Okay, you can, when you have free, you want to read more about this lesson, you can go to the Google, because this is part of the novel. This is not a complete story. Okay, so this is the lesson. We can see the door, you can see there how there is the brick door, and that was not leading anywhere, just it was a door there. Okay, and brick wall was there, so she just opened and closed it. Hope you all understood the story, children. Now let us revise what is going to come. Now let us read the hard words. What all words already we have seen. Explore means travel through in order to learn about it. Stock market, the business of buying and selling companies. Expedition, a journey undertaken with a particular purpose. Blurring means to become unclear. Pester means to trouble. Okay, tarragon, a small leaf used to flavor European dishes. Garnish, a food decoration. Mutter, say something in a low voice. Scuttled, run hurriedly. Distorted, twisted out of the shape. Commercial and advertisement. Okay, these were the hard words we had already learned. Now let us come to the examination unit test, how we are going to get. You will get a passage. From the passage you will get 5 questions. Okay, so you are having prose, you are having poetry. So 5 questions from the lesson will be asked, and for each question there will be 3 options. So you need not type any answer, you will just have to read the question, choose the correct answer. Understood? Even for poem, you will read the poem, read first question, and there will be 3 options. Okay, in that option you will have to choose one option. Okay, so that's all we have to do. Now for the grammar composition also there will be options. You need not type any answer, everything will be there, you have to just click it. Okay, now let us read the comprehension part. This is the passage given to you. This is an example. That was how she spent her first 2 weeks in the house, exploring the garden and the grounds. Her mother made her come back inside for dinner and for lunch, and Caroline had to make sure she dressed up warm before she went out, for it was a very cold summer that year. But go out she did, exploring every day until the day it rained, when Caroline had to stay inside. What should I do? Asked Caroline. Read a book, said the mother. Watch a video, play with your toys, go and pester Miss Pink or Miss Forcible, or the crazy old man upstairs. No, said Caroline, I don't want to do those things. I want to explore. I don't really mind what you do, said Caroline's mother, as long as you don't make a mess. Okay, so we saw all the meanings of the words. So we'll see what type of questions can come for your exam. Okay, how did Caroline spend her first 2 weeks in the house? What is the correct answer, children? Reading storybooks, exploring the garden on the ground, and watching television. First 2 weeks, how did she spend? What is the answer? This will be the answer. Exploring the garden and the grounds. Understood how to do? You will click to that answer. Next, shall we go to the next? Why did she dress up warm before she went out? She dressed up warm before she went out. You have to choose from the option. As it was raining, okay, it was very cold summer and she was not feeling. Why did she dress up warm? Answer will be, as it was a very cold summer. This is your answer. Okay. So as it was very cold, she had to wear warm clothes. Okay. Shall we go to the next? Choose true or false. You have to just choose true. You need not type true or false. Even that is there. You have to just click. Caroline's mother said her to read a book or go out to play. Did she tell her to go out to play in the rain? That is false. Answer will be false. She told to be indoors. She told her not to go out. Okay, so answer will be false. Caroline's mother said her to. No, this is over. Na? We'll go to the next. What did Caroline want to do? She wanted to explore, watch videos, or play with toys. What did she want to like? She liked to explore. What will be the answer? She wanted to explore. Explore is the answer. Okay, children. So like this, you have to just click the correct answer. You need not type anything, so need not worry much. Okay. Then one more like this vocabulary will be there. Pick out the word from the passage which means dirty or untidy. So you have to go through the passage again and find out which is untidy. Is it explore? No. Pester? No. Pester means what? Troubling. What does the mean dirty or untidy means? It is mess. So you have to just read the passage again and just find out the word. Okay. So this is the type of question we are going to ask in the exam. Okay. Hope you all understood. I went through the story. We went through the summary of it. I went through the hard words. Okay. Now I told you how the passage is going to come. We are going to have passage comprehension. That means a passage will be given and 5 questions will be asked like this. Options will be there for the question. So you have to just choose the correct option. You need not type anything. After prose comprehension, you will have poetry. Same way, Granny's laptop. I will do the next revision and show you how it will come. So you will have to read the poem. Again 5 questions related to that part only will be asked. From that also you have to choose only the correct answer. You need not type any answer. In grammar also you will have 8 questions where there also we will give options for that. You have to choose the correct answer. Okay, and even in composition part, what do you have in composition? You are having informal letter as well as notice writing. In that part also we are not going to make you write the full letter. Only you have to choose. We will give a sentence from that, either how is to whom is this letter written, or how is the salutation, how is the body, some small part of the letter or the notice writing will be given with 3 options for that also. So you have to go through the option and just click the correct option. You need not type anything in the answer paper. Understood? So what you have to do is you go through the lesson very thoroughly. So you think everything is option, you need not study anything. No. You go through the textbook. I've already sent with the written work. I have sent the lesson. So go in that written work itself. I have sent the lesson. So go through the lesson very thoroughly and read the lesson and find the hard words, because one type of vocabulary questions, that means meanings can come, opposites can come, give the past tense can come. That all you have to search from the passage only. So you need not by heart anything, learn big answers. For this unit test you will have all multiple choice questions where all the options are given. So you'll have to just click the correct option. Hope I am clear, children. Don't get frightened for the exam. You don't think your typing speed is slow. You will not be able to type brief answers. So this time you need not type anything in the answer sheet. Just click on to the correct option. That's all. Every question will have options like comprehension from the lesson, prose comprehension also, poetry comprehension also, and as well as grammar also will have options. Even the composition part, two questions, one mark each. You will not be told to write the full composition or full letter or notice. Only one small part of it will be asked for 1 mark. Okay, hope I am very clear with the paper pattern. Now let us revise the next poem in the next video. Thank you children. Hope you all understood how to do. Till we meet. Bye bye.